Who is Samaira Mehta?
Samaira Mehta is a young inventor and entrepreneur known for her passion for technology. Starting at a young age, she noticed how few children had fun opportunities to learn coding. This curiosity and drive set her on a path to create engaging educational tools, turning her interest in coding into a mission to empower other kids around the world.
Inventing CoderBunnyz.
At just 8 years old, Samaira Mehta created CoderBunnyz, a board game that makes learning coding concepts enjoyable and accessible. She designed the game so kids could understand basics like sequencing, loops, and conditionals, key parts of programming, without needing a computer. CoderBunnyz quickly became popular with parents and educators seeking fun ways to introduce children to STEM.
Inspiring a generation.
Samaira didn't stop at her invention. She began hosting workshops, teaching thousands of children how to code using her game. Her work has empowered young learners, especially girls, to explore science, technology, engineering, and math. Samaira's engaging approach encourages kids to view STEM as creative and exciting, broadening access to these essential skills.
Innovation beyond games.
Building on the success of CoderBunnyz, Samaira launched other projects, such as CoderBunnyz, which introduces artificial intelligence concepts through play. Her inventive board games have received national recognition, and she has spoken at major tech events, inspiring both children and adults to pursue innovation and creativity in technology.
Lasting impact.
Samaira Mehta's journey from app maker to innovator shows how one person's curiosity can spark change. Through her games, workshops, and public speaking, she continues to inspire the next generation to embrace STEM. Her story reminds us that with creativity and passion, anyone can make a difference in the world of technology.